Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research. Today's video is not about research or any kind of software installation or software tips. But today's video I am dedicating to LinkedIn profile. How you can design your LinkedIn profile, what are the key steps that you need to take care while designing your LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn is a very good platform while coming to networking or building professional relationships. It's very helpful while you're searching for a job or applying for a job or want to see how your professional network is growing around you within the world. So LinkedIn is highly recommended. There is a misconception regarding LinkedIn that many a times I hear that people say, okay, I'll update my LinkedIn profile when I'm looking for a job. That's not completely right. LinkedIn is a platform where you can connect and grow with each other. So make sure you update your LinkedIn profile every now and then, and also keep in touch with different people, grow your network, so whenever you need them you can have your network ready. So start today your LinkedIn profile, connect with the people with similar minded, and see how it makes a difference for LinkedIn profile. Let's go to my laptop screen and I'll make sure and I'll show you what are the different steps while designing a LinkedIn profile. So this is my LinkedIn profile page, how it looks like. If you're first time LinkedIn, just log in with the LinkedIn on your internet browser and create an account using your Gmail ID. And then once you create an account, just log in and just save your profile. So this is my LinkedIn profile. Writing for the first step, that is LinkedIn photo. Make sure you add a good photo of your LinkedIn, which is professional one. Don't add any photos wearing sunglasses, wearing caps, enjoying at a party that doesn't look professional. This is not a Facebook or Instagram platform. This is a professional platform. So try to have a professional ethics and upload a good professional picture of yours. Then next come important thing for LinkedIn is writing your title. You have to write here your job title and the place you're working for with your current designation. The best feature about LinkedIn I like is it provides an overview of everything what you want to highlight on your professional summary. So this is regarding about. You have to mention about writing a detailed kind of summary of whatever you have done, what you think you have achieved, what you have learned in short here to get a glimpse of like how your profile looks like. As you can see, like I have mentioned about my natural language processing work, my speech processing work, what are my deployment tools, how I proficiently developed and learned different languages. So this all I have mentioned here. So take out some time for yourself. If you're designing LinkedIn profile for the first time, write down your key steps, how it looks like. Next one, it speaks about experience. Experience, add your experience for how many years you worked on, what are the responsibilities you have taken, and how all you have delivered it. Again, don't forget to write the key points and don't forget to mention the responsibilities for each of the organization that you have taken. The next important point is education. Write down your education summary along with the period that has been allotted. Then next comes the license and certifications, then the skills and endorsement if you have. You just have to go and adding step by step for each of the section. Don't rush out for the things and just design a profile in a hurry way. Take out your time, give a dedicated section to each of the column. Or either you can just complete one section at a time, take regular breaks and again switch back. In this way, you'll give more of the devoted time to a particular section which you can enhance and write it down in a brief way. In one of my video, I've also shown you how you can build a resume in your using your LinkedIn profile. So in short, or in a different way, it will be helpful for you to design your resume also whenever you need. So make sure you gather all the summary, present it in very professional and neat way. So in this way you can add up the different points that I mentioned to design and build your LinkedIn profile. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.